Okay, good morning folks. We're just going to show you how to change the combination and set your own combination, should I say, on this Vulcan Combi 50 Squires padlock. Quite straightforward actually. First of all, take it out of the packet, which does help. These come preset. Most of it, I think, it says on the website they're all preset to 000. Sorry. And then, so if you press the button, it's a bit awkward like this. And there we go, she opens up. But there's no instructions, it doesn't come with any instructions or anything. So, there. So what you do, on the end here, there's a little tiny screw. So, first of all, open it up. Turn out the way. Undo the screw. All the way out. Okay, then you set your new combination. Depending what you want, so we'll go this way. Oh, sorry, you have to press the button in to set the combination. Okay, it's a bit awkward to do. Let's see if I can use the screwdriver. It might be easier. You're joking me. Okay, sorry about that. So hold the button in, and then set your next combination. I'm just using the screwdriver because it's easier. 19 I want. There we go. And then the third one, and then the last one. That's it. So that's what I'm going to set it to. So hold on, make sure these are lined up perfectly. All right, because it is quite precise, that line. Once you've lined them up, you can then pop the screw back in. There we go. I think you do that. I'm just going to try now and then close it. That should open. Close it and then we'll change the digit. And there you go. It's now locked. So go back one. Make sure you get it spot on. And there we go, it's that simple. Just undo that silly little screw at the end, which is alright, and no one can break the combination unless they can actually pick the lock anyway. So that's how simple it is to change or to reset your combination on your Squires C50, not CP50. This is just the C50. Okay, there we go. Put that in focus. Put that in focus, come on. There we go. Alright, so this is it, this is the lock, and that's how to do it. So press the button in, it's on 0000, take the screw out, pull the shackle out the way, set your combination what you want whilst holding this in, and then put the screw back in, close the shackle, and away you go. This is, and then it's set to your combination. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, as these videos are brought to you free of charge. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best.